Paper igloo. Prepare the base of the project from a white sheet of paper. Cut the edges into a decorative, wavy shape. From another sheet, cut one wide strip and one narrower strip. Fold the ends of the wide strip, apply glue, and attach it to the base in the shape of an arch. Glue the narrower strip to the front. It will serve as the entrance to the igloo. In this way, a simplified icehouse is created. From another sheet of paper, cut out a rectangle. Round one side and fold the other so that, when placed upright, it fits into the igloo entrance. Using a cream-colored crayon, draw and color the Eskimo's head. Below it, draw mittens, and at the very bottom, boots. Add eyes, a nose, a mouth, and black bangs. Draw fur trim with a circular line around the head and above the mittens. Glue the finished figure in front of the igloo to create a winter scene.